I'm gonna do a real quick video on a customer's bike. This ain't gonna be a very long one. This is gonna be how to change shocks. We're kind of doing this in reverse. Most people go on with lowering shocks. These people are coming off with the lowering shocks and going to the original ones. Switching the shocks out, what you do is jack it up at the middle of the bike. Y'all have already seen my how to lower a softail for free. If you haven't, go back and watch it. Jack it up and take these loose in the front. You have these little push clips. I decided to do a video at the last minute. That's why I'm really not ready. Got these little push clips right here. And those have come off too. Now we're about to start on the back ones. These ones you remove with an 11/16. I use my little electric ratchet because it might be the coolest tool that's ever been invented. But back here, that's not gonna work. So I use my ratchet wrench. It's 3/4 back here towards the back of the shocks. Okay, kind of a tight spot. Of course, you don't want to jack the bike up too high, so hard to see. Yep, get these back ones off. Okay, on to the other side. Once you lower the bike down and all the load is off of the shocks, you can just pull them right out of there. So you'll see how the front is. They just pull straight back. All right. Now these are the shocks that normally most people be going on with. Progressive drop shocks. They're see, they're pretty wore out. Probably I had so much hell with that one. Actually, that bushing's gone completely. But they've been on there a bit. All right, on with the factory ones. Factory ones got brand new snap rings on them. That's good because them other ones were pretty rusty. Cool. All right, for these snap rings, they just pop right off. That's it. Take that one, I believe it was an 11/16. And that goes on very last. Gotta separate these grommets. All right, slide. Now it just has to slide back in the bike like how it came out. Go with the front end first, work it up to the back, and slide that bolt through one side at a time. So right here, just make sure everything is cranked down tight on the back, and then you can make all your adjustments up front. And you want to make sure that all of this stuff goes to the exact same length, because if it's not perfect, it will mess up the ride. All right, that's all there is to it. You just start from the back, work your way up to the front. They poke in, and then you put them back bolts in. It's easier if you have somebody to help you, so you can constantly work the jack, because otherwise you're getting up and down and up and down, and that's exhausting. But that's it, really. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. We did this process backwards from what you normally do. Most people take the stock shocks off and put the lowering ones on. He wanted the lowering shocks taken off, put the stock ones on, but it's the same thing either way. So there's a shock removal on a Harley softail.